Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to break down some of the most important AWS security and identity services you need to know as a tech student. Trust me, these tools are the backbone of keeping your cloud projects safe and sound. First up, AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. This is where you control who can get into your AWS resources and what they can do once they're inside. Imagine I'm as the bouncer at the club, checking IDs and making sure only the right people get in. With IAM, you create users, groups, and roles, then set permissions for each, so only the right folks can touch your stuff. Next, AWS Key Management Service, or KMS. Whenever you need to encrypt data, you'll come across KMS. It manages cryptographic keys for you, making sure your secrets stay secret. You don't have to worry about the nitty-gritty of encryption. AWS handles that, and you just decide who gets access to the keys. Moving on, AWS Directory Service. This one helps you connect your AWS resources with your organization's existing directory, like Microsoft Active Directory. So, if your college already has a login system, you can hook it up to AWS and keep things simple. One username and password for everything. Now, let's talk about AWS Certificate Manager. You know those little padlocks you see in your browser that mean a site is secure? That's SSL/TLS certificates in action. Certificate Manager helps you create, manage, and renew those certificates for your websites. No more worrying about expired certs messing up your project. Finally, AWS Web Application Firewall, or WAF. Think of it as your app's personal bodyguard. WAF filters and blocks nasty traffic before it reaches your application, protecting you from common attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. So, whether you're building the next big thing or just messing around, these AWS services make sure your projects are secure, managed, and ready for the real world. Give them a try and level up your cloud game.